ನನ್ನ व्लॉग तुಳು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು मे बी ನನ್ನ व्लॉग ಅಲ್ಲಿ कन्नड़ सा ಬರ್ಬೋದು शायद मैं अभी व्लॉग में हिंदी भी बात कर सकता हूँ पूरा व्लॉग एक लैंग्वेज में बनाना बहुत मुश्किल है അത് എന്തിനു പറഞ്ഞാൽ എനിക്കത് പറയാൻ അത്ര ഈസി ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നില്ല Good morning people, welcome back to the channel. This is me Zishan here. Well, I was actually uploading the video. It's uploaded now. I had to finish 2 wedding videos. I completed that, sent it through Google Drive, and I have to deliver one footage. I'll show you one second. I had to give some of the drone footages of a wedding. It's here, all completed. All the work is done. I had given my lens, 50mm lens, to somebody. I have to collect that. I have to give this hard disk to him, and that's it. That's the thing for now, for the schedule. Okay, ഫ്ലൈറ്റ് ആക്കുന്ന വേറെ പ്ലേസ് പോകണ്ട This is how you look when you don't sleep the whole night. കിട്ടിയാ Good time spent there. We discussed a lot about how it works and that the drone did a really great job today, and unfortunately I can't show you guys that footages. Okay, it's like the top secret footages it is, like, but really the drone did a great job. I didn't expect it to do that good, but it did a great job. Nowadays there is a new problem that is happening. Like whenever I start recording, out of all the crickets, I mean that small insects outside, they do that their thing, and the aunties and uncles running the mixie and everything, the sound is from the laptop fan noise. That's the noise from the laptop fan. It's reduced. Cool, not a problem. Today's topic is gonna be a very important one, very confusing one, and that topic is language barriers that I have when I'm doing a YouTube vlog. There are 2 stories, okay, 2 incidents where it happened. Like I'll tell you what happened. First one is, yesterday I was at home. I was spending a really quality time with the family. Like, there were discussions happening about life, things, situation, people, so many things, money, yeah, everything. Like everyone, like there were like 5 to 6 people. We were sitting and having a discussion. It went for like maybe 2 to 3 hours long. A very productive discussion it was. When it comes to language barrier, my mom was like, yesterday I had uploaded this vlog which I had done back in October, November something. The trip to the last trip of 2020. Mom asked my grandmother, did you watch the video? So she was like, what to watch in that? Like, the things, if there is just the video, we can watch the mixing. I think you guys can ignore that noise. Okay. So she was like, if you guys can like understand something, you can watch. What to watch if we don't understand? Okay, this is one from my grandmother. She does watch my videos, but she doesn't understand anything, whatever I say. And one more is, I was returning home 2 days back, and this guy, he was like, oh, still wearing a camera, and he called me YouTuber. Thanks. It's a nice thing when somebody calls you a professional, like when somebody calls me photographer. I feel good, because that's your profession, and when people identify you from the profession, then that makes sense that, you know, people are actually valuing your profession. I think I'll wait till the mix is off. Auntie. I can't blame, it's a family place, okay? She has to cook something for her family, so she will turn the mixie on. I can't help. Does irritate me a little, but still I can't help.
One eternity later.
That's what I was trying to say, like the language barrier, about that. So this is what happened like 2 days back. So he was like, who will understand your English, man? Like, what we can do now? I get it. Being in a place like Sulya, if I am trying to give you a content that is in a language that is very least spoken,
this is gonna happen. This was not unexpected, this was expected. That if Zetography will start doing vlogs in Hindi, I mean English. I never switched it to any other language, okay, I was doing it in English. But now when I'm doing it seriously and people are watching it seriously to find some good times in their day, people are finding it difficult. Am I switching? Am I gonna switch to Hindi, Kannada or whatever other regional languages that I have? See, one thing I want to make sure is that why am I doing the content? Okay, my intention is to reach a greater large audience that can understand my language. If tomorrow you get up and see that, hi ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು Zetography ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ vlog ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, this Kannada, it's not like really the Kannada. Okay, this is like that fake Kannada that comes in front, that comes to me whenever I'm talking to a camera. ಇದೇ ಥರ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಶಬ್ದ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. I can't do it in Kannada. Okay, now what happens if I do it in Hindi? Hindi is like I have Urdu, I can do it in Urdu also. चलिए आज बात करते हैं कुछ अच्छी चीज़ों के बारे में, जैसे कि लैंग्वेज का बैरियर. See, it's English again. Like, see, we don't know a pure language. Okay, that's, see, Urdu, okay, fine, that becomes like, you know, local. Like Hindi ka murder and then Urdu. Like pure Urdu is completely different. Okay, that all words, like complicated words, Zakhm, Dil, that, this, Rustam, blah blah blah. That and all I cannot do at all. Okay, unless and until I go and sit with some people who really talk Urdu. Ours is like in Cholia, it's Jangli Urdu. It's not the pure Urdu, or it's not what to say, very bad Urdu. It's in the middle. Okay, that's what we speak. So I can't do it in Urdu also. What about Tulu? Tulu Malpoli, like, see, enkite gottipuna languages idu. Enk paather rapun, but our language avene enna main language malpera bango. And Tulu to paather naga maybe enna vlog idu Tulu barpun. Maybe nanna vlog alli Kannada sa barbodu. Shayad मैं अभी vlog में हिंदी भी बात कर सकता हूँ बीच में. बट पूरा व्लॉग एक लैंग्वेज में बनाना बहुत मुश्किल है. അത് എന്തിനു പറഞ്ഞാൽ എനിക്കത് പറയാൻ അത്ര ഈസി ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നില്ല. ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ ഞാൻ എത്ര ഈസി ആയിട്ട് സംസാരിക്കുന്നു അത്ര ഈസി ആയിട്ട് എനിക്ക് വേറെ ലാംഗ്വേജിൽ വരുന്നില്ല. ഈവൻ മൈ ഓൺ മദർ ടങ്. ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ റീസൺ ഐ ആം ഡൂയിങ് ദിസ് വ്ലോഗ്സ് ഇൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്. And I'm not telling that I might continue this, okay? What if in future the greater audience that is listening to me, that is making, you know, they're finding some good values in my videos, but they're finding it a little difficult to identify with the language. So if I might go with Hindi, might go with Kannada, I might go with Hindi, I might go with Kannada, I might go with Tulu. I don't know what language I will go with. But for now, considering all the facts and everything and all the audience that I am having, I would be very happy to go with English. It's not that I am very great spokesperson in English or something. English that I know is an English that basically you know, or the generation that I am trying to connect is. Not my grandmother, okay? She doesn't know English. At the same time, she doesn't want to know what is motovlogging. Okay? All that she is watching the video because her grandson is making the video. It's not that she went on YouTube and went searching what is language barriers, what does language barrier have to do with the YouTube video, or what is motovlogging meant. She won't. But all that reason that she's watching is because it's her grandson. And at the same time, I get it. Not everyone will be able to understand English. But I would like to say that the communication that I am trying to do, the language, the English I am trying to use in my videos are not at all complicated. These are not the words that you learn in your college or something. I'm not using any complicated words, or I'm not using any word. The hairs are growing like anything. I have to take this. It's falling on my ears. Whenever it falls on my ears, I feel irritated. I just expect people to, you know, and try to understand what the reason why I'm doing all this in English. And I'm trying to give you the best and the best of content. I'm trying my level best. Today I had been out and we did what to say, a practice sort of drone practice sort of footage. It was really great. You won't believe, like, you know, in future when I'll upload that video, you will be really shocked that is this Sulya or some other place. I'm telling you, fact. Okay, that is how it was when I was doing that practice. Like, excellent footage, excellent shots at that one particular time. But not enough. We need to have so many things to be followed when we do that such type of videos. There are so many things we have to consider when I'm doing that videos. So when everything is considered, when everything is like thumbs up, you can do this, go for it, I will do it, and that's for sure. You don't have to, like, we have done videos, okay, that it is questionable, but I don't have a problem if people question it. Like, it makes sense, but not everywhere it's the people question about it. Or when it comes to promoting your own place, I don't think it's anywhere wrong to do such videos, unless and until you look after all the rules and regulations, safety guidelines you follow when you're making that one particular video. See, flying a drone is not really easy. It's not a gaming console that you get in the market and you take, like just that car, remote control car. It's not like that. It takes a lot of, the fingers shiver whenever you try to control that aircraft, because it's out of your control and it's worth 6 figures. It's not something like 250 rupees ka remote control car. Okay, so that is the reason. If you're having a lot of money, not a problem, but for me, when it is like with great difficulty you buy something like that, that's what happens. So considering all that, there are some great things that are coming. I just want this corona to go away as soon as possible. Like, please go away, no matter what happens. Let's hope for good for all the humanity, okay? And hopefully we grow, and we have reached 1,690 subscribers. Like another 10 subscribers, we will be 1,700 subscribers. I'm not telling you because I'm having this 1,700 subscribers. I'm telling you because we are growing. We are growing. That's all I want to say. I want to say how, what, and what is the magic happening. This is what is happening. And thank you so much, guys. And it means a lot to me. Thank you so much for adding the value. And yesterday's video, 290, I think, views. Cool. That's cool. Like that video deserves, because there's pain in that when you edit. Okay. See, it's not a pain if you the whole day all you have to do is edit a YouTube video. It's cool, not a problem. I could do it. But in a day when you edit 2 to 3 videos, it is paining. Yeah. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great time.